What is affiliate marketing?
Hey guys, how's the day going on? I'm back here to tell you about affiliate marketing. It is a modern time marketing which is used by highly qualified companies to advertise their unique services and products. This marketing is generally done by blog editors, content creators, YouTube product reviewers, podcast editors and more on. Now we learn what benefits do company and reviewer has. Actually, by reviewing products or services, creators make money because companies get customers through their loyal reviews. Companies may give free samples for testing or reviewing, or they can also give money directly to creators, and money can be measured in dollars. If you want to start affiliate marketing, then you must know that there are many firms and companies who offer good commissions. Amazon and Flipkart are very good for beginners. They offer up to 11% commission on their products and services, and there will be a clickbank on your next step. If you want to earn up to 70% commission on products that you review, and you can start growing your work through there. If you want to know about advanced affiliate marketing, that is generally done by advanced creators who directly in a contact with companies which offer them good money for only reviewing their products to loyal customers. This level of affiliate marketing is generally done by Technical Guruji, Tech Burner and etc. etc. So guys, I think I have given you full information about the affiliate marketing in brief. If you want tutorial on Amazon affiliate marketing, Flipkart affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, then let me know. You can comment below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram page Gadget Learn. Thank you. And guys, subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, then share this video with your friends and make them billionaire, millionaire or anything. Thanks guys. Just like this video. Thank you.